Hi there, so I've just made a second wheelieometer, and this one's to give to a friend of my parents who's about 13 I think, and I know he's got a BMX and does wheelies, so hopefully he'll like it. Anyway, I've made a few improvements to my Mark II wheelieometer, which I'm calling the Wheelieometer Plus. I've got some black labels for my label machine so it looks a bit tidier, and I've also added a second button. I was playing with an environmental sensor which records, which gives you the temperature, humidity and atmospheric pressure. So now if you press the display button, the display changes to give you those things on the display instead of the wheelie parameters. So it's giving you the temperature in degrees C, relative humidity in percent, pressure in millibars, and then the module calculates what it thinks the altitude is in meters. When you press the display button again, and it goes back to your wheelie parameters. I did think about adding a real-time clock so it could have a clock display, but then to set the clock you'd need quite a lot. You'd either need extra buttons or you'd need an SD card to enable you to set the clock from a file. It's obviously got the battery compartment, which I incorporated onto the Mark I. And the other thing I thought about doing was having a sensor for, you could put a sensor on like a reed switch and a magnet on the wheel, and this would let you calculate the speed and the distance that the bike had travelled. So that's possibly something for the future, but I haven't done that on this particular version. Yeah, that'd be pretty easy to do. Just counting the number of contact closures, then that would work more like a normal bike computer. So there you go. It looks pretty tidy, I think. It's got USB on the bottom if you wanted to reprogram it. So that might be something he might do when he's a bit older. His sister's a computer programmer, so she might be able to help him with that. Of course, it's programmed in C, so it's a bit of a pain really to program. And there we have it, the second wheelieometer. Unfortunately, I can't make any videos of people using the wheelieometers at the moment because if you look out my window, it's all snowy out there at the moment, so no one's going to be out doing wheelies at the moment. Thanks for watching.